What camera did you start with?
I started with the Canon 70D.
Pares tayo.
And it was my then girlfriend's camera. Tapos hinihiram-hiram ko lang.
Wow! Oh my God.
I started using Canon 500D.
Wow. Hindi siya bias. Canon yung sinabi.
Oh, yun nag-start eh. Yun naman talaga eh.
Actually, nag-start ako sa APS-C, ZV-E10 ang gamit ko nung uuna.
Diniretso ko na agad. Yung pinaka-flagship during that time, it was revolutionary, it was talk of the town, it was the most anticipated camera that Sony released. First time kong umutang sa parents ko. So sabi ko, Ma, pwede akong umutang 100,000. It's the Sony A7S1.
Oh wow, yung pinakauna.
Yes, that's my very first Sony camera. Ang tagal ko ginamit yon. Hindi ako kumuha ng A7S2 kasi ganun ako ka-in love sa S1 noon. Nung lumabas yung A7S3 during pandemic, di na ako nag-isip-isip. Binili ko na agad kasi for the longest time pinag-iipunan ko siya.
I started with, for video talaga, is 70D.
70. Ay, parehas tayo.
I started with 70D.
Oh.
Nag-start na ako for weddings, pero Muslim weddings pa yung nakaka-cover ko dati.
So what camera are you currently using?
Okay, I have two. I have a video cam, the FX3, and I have a photo/video cam, the A1.
My current camera is Fujifilm X-H2S.
Mayabang na, mayabang na.
Bigat! Sabi, oh, bigat!
Medyo nag-shift ako to full frame. So ngayon I'm using yung A7C2. Kasi siya, rangefinder pa rin.
Favorite ko talaga ngayon na ginagamit ko is the Sony ZV-E1. Pero recently, dahil nga bago-bago ko nakuha yung E10, mas nagagamit ko rin yung E10 madalas. Pero if you're talking about the favorite na I know I can still deliver my output regardless if naka-FX3 ba ako S3, the E1 will really deliver.
After that, diretso akong Sony FX30.
Grabe naman yung talon na yun. Man, ang lupit ng talon mo.